I was very captivated by the idea that DNA is not some kind of information that is attached to something else the way you can have ink on a piece of paper. With DNA, the material structure and the information are one and the same. With weaving, you have exactly the same thing. I'm Emilio Vavarella, I'm an artist and researcher, and I'm the 8th artist in residence at the Broad. This place is so open-minded, which is great for an artist, but it also increased the ambition of my artistic project, but I never settled for easy ideas. I think Fabio always had this deep-seated dream of collaborating with an artist, and sometimes serendipity helps with these things because his expertise was exactly what I needed for my specific project, looking for genetic markers within DNA samples.
I'm a computational scientist. I work in the long-reads group, and we are basically developing methods for detecting structural variants, which are large scalar rearrangements of the genome. I've always been attracted to art and to the connection between art and science. They're both like trying to unravel or to find some patterns that are not visible.
Back in 2019, I have this idea, which is converting my own genetic code into a textile. The result of that process is now in the Modern Art Museum in Bologna. I decided that this would be the right place to open it up, creating something where everyone could submit their genetic samples as saliva to the Broad Institute, where their DNA will be analyzed, translated into a textile that will be woven, combining both ancient weaving techniques and, of course, most cutting-edge biotechnological techniques.
I'm helping Emilio analyzing the data, so going from the genome to a prediction of traits. By traits, we mean really high-level features like eye color, hair color, earlobe type, or freckles. And the challenge is precisely to go from the genome to these high-level, often fuzzy definitions of traits.
I like to use something that somehow comes also out of my cultural background, but bringing it into this very high-tech space. Imagine something that both represents you, but can also keep yourself warm, something you can wrap yourself into, something that people can get attached to.
The result of this analysis, which has always been a program, so something very abstract, becomes all of a sudden a really concrete object.
This entity could continue to work with the Broad even after my residency ends, which is a way of ensuring that the artwork stays alive and survives and has a life, beyond that of the residency program.